This is the ultimate bachelor's meal. It doesn't get any better than this. I mean, any bachelor can get up and prepare this meal in no time. It's easy and straightforward, and you serve it in the same pan you cook it in. No major cleanup, not a lot of dishes, and it's just the best. Please share the video and leave a comment, even if it's just a dot, and let's get started with the video right away.
Welcome to our kitchen.
I hope you will join our big family. Let's start our recipe.
Here I have 2 tablespoons of ghee or lamb fat. I used lamb fat, but you can use ghee, 2 large tablespoons. I added a little bit of oil to it and let it heat up for a bit. Then I added 1 large chopped onion. Oh my goodness, this dish is so incredibly delicious. It's pure love, pure love. So I started sautéing the onion like this. We don't want the onion to burn, no, we just want it to soften up a little bit, that's all. The beauty of this dish is that it should be a little spicy, so you can chop up a few hot chili peppers. If you don't want it spicy, if you don't like heat, if you don't like things too spicy, no problem at all. Use sweet peppers instead. If you don't like peppers, don't add them at all. But if you do like hot peppers, you will absolutely love this dish spicy. We add the peppers and sauté them like this. Then we add about 1 kilogram of chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes should be chopped with their skin on, just as they are, without peeling. The beauty of this dish is that it doesn't need any spices except for salt and black pepper. You could add paprika if you like. Anyway, we add them and start stirring like this. The best part about this dish is that I don't have to spend an hour peeling tomatoes. This is literally a meal for when you're in a rush. It's easy, quick, straightforward, and the taste is to die for. We've stirred it like this, my dears. Now, this is optional, but if you want to add about 1/4 kilo of meat, go ahead. If you don't want to add meat, if you're vegetarian and don't like meat, it's totally up to you. You can leave it out. Some days I don't have meat available, so I just make it with tomatoes, peppers, and onions with no meat at all. So it's delicious either way. Here, I also added 2 hot peppers. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect. The beauty of this dish is that it's up to you. Add some heat if you like it, or don't if you don't. It's your choice. And we add about 1 tablespoon of paprika if you have it. It gives it a lovely color. We sauté it like this, and now we're going to add a large tablespoon of tomato paste, which is the sauce. Oh, just perfect. This dish will transport you to another world. The best way to eat it is with bread. It doesn't need any side dishes. At most, you might want a glass of yogurt drink with it, and that's it. I don't have a lid that fits this pan, so I just put a larger pan on top of it. Didn't I tell you it's a bachelor's meal today? I let it simmer for about 15 minutes until it all comes together. And as you can imagine, the dish is ready and it couldn't be better or faster than this. Just look at this beauty, for God's sake. By God, isn't this a work of art, everyone? I want you to experience the taste and flavor that I'm tasting, and you won't be able to until you get up and try it right away. Come on, my dears, whoever has meat should try it, and whoever doesn't should try it as well. It's all just a few tomatoes, an onion, and a couple of peppers. I love you all for the sake of God, my best followers in the world. Wait for many, many, many beautiful recipes to come. Support me with this video so I can release an even better recipe for you tomorrow. Don't forget to leave lots of hearts in the comments and plenty of likes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I love you, my wonderful followers. See you soon!